Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So we will see Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. As tomorrow is monthly expiry, don't place a single trade for tomorrow's monthly expiry until you see this video and the levels which I'm going to explain here in this video. So everyone is looking at 26,000 as a resistance on Nifty, but chart which I am looking is telling me something that there is going to happen a massive expiry trap for tomorrow. So let's do an analysis, deep dive analysis in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we will see how can we trade for tomorrow. We'll also see the OA interest as well, as tomorrow is monthly expiry. Let's see where the highest number of positions are made. So if I go back and show you the OA here, so now where actual fight is happening, the green bars which you are seeing here are call writers, and the red bars which you are seeing here are put writers. So now 25,650, 25,600 and 25,500, mainly at 25,500, 600 you have good put writing, and at 25,700 there is a fight between bulls and bears. Call writers and PE writers are neck to neck fighting here. If you see here at 25,600, call writers have exited, and at 25,550 call writers have exited, and at 25,500 also call writers have exited. It means that massive put writing has happened till 25,600. So we can assume below 25,600 we can see a dip up to 25,500. From 25,500 we can see a recovery in Nifty. So let's go back and we'll see on the chart as well. But at the moment, as per OI, 25,700 where the fight is happening, and we have massive build up at 25,900, sorry, 25,800 and 26k. So we have a massive build up at 25,800 and 26k. Call writers have written very aggressively at these levels. Now let's see what chart is telling. So chart is also telling the same almost. So if you come back and see here, earlier this was acting as a support here. So earlier this was acting as a support here. So if we see here, one time touch, two time, three time, again with this candle it has given a breakdown, and then again retest happened, multiple times retest happened here, and market have given good 300 points dip here, and again market came, retested this level, and it have given a dip, and it was holding at higher level. Again market went up, rejection at almost at similar pace. Earlier this was a support, now it was acting as a resistance. So again market give a dip, again at same place at 25,500, 520 zone it have taken a support. 25,500 to 520 zone it have taken a support. So today what happened, market have opened gap up. Earlier this was acting as a support, here it was acting as a resistance. Now this same level, when market opened above this resistance, it was acting as a support now. So it have a given recovery in the first candle, again there was no follow through. So whenever you see this kind of scenario, whenever you see a big green candle and there is a no follow through, 80% of chances market is going to dip. It is going to cut the low of that big candle 80% of the times. So market came here at this zone, it was taking a support. In my WhatsApp community I have clearly posted, in case if market close a red candle below this zone, then only our view will go for bearish. Till then we are not going bearish. So at this zone we can enter long, and we can keep our stop loss below this zone on the candle closing basis. So if you see, same thing has happened. Now we got this recovery, so we participated in this trade. So now what is our plan for tomorrow? If market closes again a red candle below this zone 25,600, then only we will be going short, and our next support is 25,500 to 520. We will be full bearish only if market closes a good 15 minutes candle below 25,500. So I am seeing dip till here 25,350 we might come if market close below 25,500. So this is my downside view. What is my upside view? As we have seen, full call rating is there near 25,800 zone. At 25,700 there is a fight happening between call writers and PE writers in option chain, which you have seen just now. So now I will only go long in case if market close and start trading above 25,780 to 800 zone. If market is trading here in first half an hour to 40 minutes and sustaining above this zone 780 to 800 zone, then my view will go for bullish. My immediate target will be 25,900, and my final target will be 26k for tomorrow. Anything above this 26k is bonus, but I'm not sure if we cross 26k for tomorrow, but at least above this zone, if market starts trading in first half an hour, 40 minutes, we see this as a first target and this as a second target, 26k. If market is trading above this zone and again comes back and close below this zone, then we will see immediate dip to 25,600. Again below, targets below 600, 500 to 520, below this zone 25,350. It can happen in first half an hour to 1 hour, the short covering either upside from here or to the downside here. In case if it is not happening in first half, after 1:30, see where market is trading. After 1:30, 1 p.m, if market is trading above this zone, we might see short covering upside. If market is trading below 25,600, we might see a breakdown downside. So this is our simple plan for Nifty tomorrow. Now let's come back and see Bank Nifty. How can you trade Bank Nifty tomorrow? First, let's look at the OA interest. We have a good fight happening at 61k level. At 61k, strong put writers are there. You see this red bar, which is a good put writing happened here at 61k. There is a fight happening here. Below 61k, again I see at 60,500. Again I see at 60,000. The strong put writing. Similarly, above I will see a strong call rating above 61,500 and 62,000. Okay, so now what will be our game plan for tomorrow? In Bank Nifty, we will only go short if it is closing below this zone, below 61k. If you are seeing a good 15 minutes red candle closing below 61k, then our view will be downside and our target will be 60,500. Our target will be 60,500. Below this also, if again a red candle close below 60,500, our target will be 60,300 and followed by 60k. This is where short covering we can expect. Okay, if market closes below 60k, 61k, it is going to become bearish. Okay, and we are going to see this as our first target, this as our second target, and this as our third target. And what is our plan for the upside? As we have seen, we have good call rating at 60,500, but in case if market is trading above 61,380 to 400 zone, 61,380 to 400 zone in first half an hour to 40 minutes, we will see a one quick spike till 60,500. Okay, in case if market is capable of closing a good 15 minutes candle above 60,500, we will see, sorry, 61,500. If it's capable of closing a good 15 minutes candle above this level, we will be seeing rally upside to 62k. Okay, again above this you have to trail 100 points, direct 500 points. You cannot just keep a buffer and you cannot trail, so you have to trail 100 points. So this is our simple game plan for Bank Nifty tomorrow. Again, if this happening in first half an hour to 45 minutes, you will see a short cover upside or downside. Suppose in first half, if market is trading between 61k and 61,400, after 1 p.m, see the price action where exactly the market is trading. If it is trading above this level, we will see a short cover upside. If it is trading below this 61k by 130, we might see a downside move in Bank Nifty. So this is our simple game plan for tomorrow. So I am not a SEBI registered analyst. This is for educational purpose only. So join my WhatsApp community if you wanted to have any live updates tomorrow. In case if I see any setups, any trade ideas in Nifty, Bank Nifty, I will be posting in my free WhatsApp group. I don't have any paid WhatsApp groups or paid telegrams, nothing. So I have only one WhatsApp group, which is a free, where I will be posting my analysis. In case if you are interested, I will be providing link to that group in the description here below the video. You can click that link and join our community. In case if anyone pings you and asks for any money, anything, please don't rely on that. Don't pay anything to anyone. It's a pure free group. So only for interested traders I have created that group, so we can all trade together and we can all grow together. Thank you everyone for watching this video.